Hello student, today we will start chapter 12, Heron's formula. Why we use Heron's formula? To find the area of scalene triangle we use Heron's formula. Scalene triangle in which no sides are equal. Sum number 1. A traffic board indicating school ahead in an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. Side of signal board. Sum number 1. Its solution. That is A. Formula for finding area of an scalene triangle by Heron's formula, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root, where S is semi-perimeter, A, B, C are the sides of respective triangle. Semi-perimeter, that is equal to A plus A plus A by 2 makes 3A by 2. Now, area of equilateral triangle by using Heron's formula, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root. Put the values. 3A by 2, 3A by 2 minus A, 3 by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. Now solving, it will same. Take LCM. We have 3A minus 2A. Again LCM. Same. Again LCM. Also same. A minus 2A. A by 2. A by 2. A by 2. In numerator, here A comes 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, take out from square root A into A. In denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. Then it comes 2 into 2. Root 3. Root 3 by 4 A square. And we know that area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square, which proves by Heron's formula also. Now, if its perimeter is 180, if perimeter 180, then 3A is equals to 180, side is 60. What will be the area of the signal board? Area of signal board, root 3 by 4 A square. It makes 900 root 3 centimeter square is the answer. Next is sum number 2. The triangular side wall of a flyover, just like From here, vehicle gone. Have been used for advertisement. The side of the walls are 120, 122, 22, 120 meter. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? First, we will find its area. Sides of triangle are semi-perimeter. It makes 132. Area of triangular region using Heron's formula. Now putting one 32. After subtracting, we have 10, 12, 110. Make factor 11 multiply 12, 10, 12 same, 11 multiply 10. जितना हो उसके बड़े से बड़े फैक्टर आप फाइंड कीजिए. नाउ कंबाइन 10 2 times, 11 2 times, 12 2 times. Take out from the square root, we have 10 into 11 into 12. After multiplication, we have 1320 meter square area of wall. Now we have to find the rent. Rent for 12 months for 1 meter square area is rupees 5,000. Rent for 1 month for 1 meter square area by 12. Rent for 3 months for 1 meter square area, that is rupees 1250. Rent for 3 months for 1320 meter square area is, multiply. After the multiplication, we have 16,50,000 rupees only. A company which hired this wall will pay 16,50,000. Now the next question, sum number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side wall has been painted in some color with the message, keep the park clean and green. If the sides of walls are 15, 11 and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. Side of wall 15 meter, 11 meter, 6 meter. Semi-perimeter is 16. Area of wall using Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S 16, 16 minus 15, minus 11, minus 6. Subtract, factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 5 same, 5 2s are 10. Make pair, take out 2, 2, 5 and 2 in the square root because not in pair. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 root 2 meter square, that is the area of painted in color. Now the next, fourth question. Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and perimeter is 42 centimeter. Semi-perimeter, that is 21 centimeter. Sides 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Third side 42 minus 18 minus 10 makes 14 centimeter. Area of triangle. Apply formula. Putting second side, third side, subtracting, factor 7 3s are 3 same, 11 same, 7 same, 7 comes 2 times, take 1 time outside from the square root, 3 root 11, and the answer is 21 root 11 centimeter square. Thank you.